Hi, I'm Jackie Newell, founder and lead designer of Basil Tate, a design firm here in Denver, Colorado, and I am super excited because today I am showing you our Amos project. Our clients had lived in this house for a few years and were ready for a refresh. We gave everything a little bit of a facelift, and now they have this nice feeling, fresh new home that is light and bright and definitely meets their style now. I am here in the Amos's sitting room, and this is kind of fun because this room had zero purpose before. So it's the room that you see right when you walk in the front door, and our clients have been here a few years but had just never figured out exactly what they wanted to do with this space. Through some conversation, we decided this would be a fun sitting room for the adults, kind of have a little bar area vibe to it. So that they can just hang out in here when they're entertaining. We added a beautiful leather sofa, a couple of swivel chairs so that it made a nice conversation area, added a beautiful sideboard with some textural art there. We've got some wine racks on the wall to, again, make this feel a little bit more adultish. This room now has a purpose and is absolutely beautiful. So when people walk in, they've got the stunning office on one side, and now they've got this gorgeous sitting room on the other, and it definitely makes a different impression when people walk in the front door. I know that I may have said that the kitchen got the biggest transformation or the dining room had the biggest transformation, but this room might beat them all. This office doesn't even look like the same room anymore. This used to just be one desk off to the side and a brown paneled wall. We actually used our 3D rendering services to create this back wall, and it was a great tool so that we were able to give that to the carpenter, and the carpenter knew exactly what I was wanting it to look like, and he delivered. Like, this turned out exactly like the rendering, so we were really happy with it. Our client often works from home, so he's got this big beautiful desktop now to have a couple different computer monitors. We've got clothes storage, and we even have a little area for the kids to work on their homework as well. The other request was that he wanted some family pictures, so voila, we've got an incredible gallery wall over here. So again, I'm excited about this room. I love how it turned out, and I kind of wish it was my own office. And that's a wrap on the Amos project. We loved working on this home. We love the style of it, and we really, really loved our clients. They really trusted us, trusted our vision, let us get a little bit more creative, had a little fun with the color palette, and it came out absolutely stunning. So we hope that they are as happy with it as we are, and we would love to help you. If you're looking to renovate your home, give your home a refresh, if you're building from the ground up, please give us a call, and we would love to chat and see if it's something we could help you out with. Our website is basilandtate.com, and you can find us on social media at Basil and Tate as well.